second part of inequalities. Okay, learning objective. Rational inequalities, rational inequalities involving linear expression, linear over linear, macam itulah kan. And then rational inequalities can be expressed in the form, okay, yang inilah, okay, sama, okay, sama je. And then where P of X and Q of X linear or quadratic expression, you ambil linear or quadratic, okay, not cubic, you punya only linear or quadratic. Okay, example, given 3x plus 1 over x plus 5, linear over linear, more or greater than 2. Okay, in this case, can I cross multiply? Can I write like this? Can or not? Yes or no?
No, madam.
Yeah. Or you don't know?
No.
Okay. Kena ke? No ke?
No.
Can.
So if I ask you question, okay, x minus 5, is it x minus 5 positive term or negative term? Confirm for all positive or negative term?
Don't know. We don't know.
We don't know which one, either negative or positive, right? It depends on x, right?
Yes.
Okay. X minus 5 depends on x. Maybe positive, maybe negative. When x is equal to 0, this term becomes negative. When x equals 6 minus 5 is equal to positive. So we don't know the sign ni negative or positive. Why? Because of this one is power 1. Okay, that's why you cannot cross multiply. Salah. Okay, salah. Okay, so to solve this question, macam ni. Okay, you just bring one, katakan ni, 2 to the right. Macam ni, then negative. Okay, ada certain student dia times, dia punya ni, x minus 5 over x minus 5. Okay juga. Okay, macam ni, this one first. Okay, then equating the denominator. Okay, terus macam ni samakan. Equating the denominator minus 2. Okay. Bracket please x minus 5. Terus macam ni. Okay. Nanti ada pula benda tu. Okay, terus je sekali je. You may skip the step. Okay, sekejap kenapa kena skip ni kena. Okay, so just skip the step ni 3x plus 1 over x minus 5 minus this is good step. Okay, macam ni. More than 0. Okay, boleh nak letak sini. Okay, and to sini. But sometimes student careless. Student yang weak student dia careless, dia buat double pula. Okay, tapi for weak students terus macam ni je. Yang biru ni. Okay, the next step, expand. Make sure in bracket yang ni, yang the red color ni sebab apa? Careless. Careless. Plus 10. X minus 5. Okay. Then simplify. X plus 11. X minus 5 more or equal 0. Okay. Sekejap. Kena padam ni. Padam sikit. So, saya padam Kat sini. Saya anjak atas. Okay. Sini. Okay. Ini this one. X plus 11 over x minus 5 more or equal 0. Okay. And then in this case ni habis sampai sini. Then this way you cannot use graphical smiling graph. You cannot use smiling graph because of this is not quadratic. Salah. Okay, kalau nak sketch graph, this is graph ratio right, the curve tu. Okay, so we can use that let number line x plus 11 more or equal 0, x minus 5 more or equal 0. So you akan dapat x more or equal negative 11, x more or equal 5. Nampak kot no? Okay, terus okay, and you can use table. Okay, but this one is just for objective, right? Kita guna laju guna number line. Okay, number line je. Ni number line a negative 11 5. Buatlah dotted line perfect sikit, proper proper. Okay, and then next step. Okay, yang ini x more or equal include, okay, positive. So positive ni tak nak buat line, but negative lah, senang negative. Okay, next step. Okay, ni okay, ni more than, okay, different level okay, ke sana to the right. Positive, line positive, no line negative. Okay, lepas tu negative over negative, positive. Negative over positive, negative is a positive. So, and check you punya question before you find. Okay, check this one, this term more and equal 0, more 0. So we need positive region, positive sign lah. So answer is from negative infinity to negative 11 square include, okay, union 5 to infinity. This is the answer je. Settle So if you want to use number line, properly sketch lah. Jangan zap je kan. Tengok tapi tengok betul Problem? Ada question?
Madam.
Ya.
Kalau salah yang macam ni dia memang union je?
Yes. Dia punya final answer template dia union. Okay. Template dia je. Bagus good question actually. Baru saya ingat nak buat macam mana. Okay. Kalau let's say in set notation, ni kawasan ni kan. Okay. X less or equal negative 11. Tengok ni lah kan. Okay. Dengan X more or equal 5 ke sana kan. Okay. Dia punya connection dia or. Curly bracket. Yang ini nak buat X dot. This is kalau guna set notation. Word dia or. If use ni interval, connection dia U. Bukan N. U dia. Kalau ini U union. If you use set notation or. Not alias, not comma. OR. Okay. Settle. Good question tadi. Okay. Lagi? Tak ada? Okay, bagus.
Tak ada.
Good. Okay. Sometimes I forgot, right? Okay. So, baca sendiri. Okay. Cross multiplication must be avoided because of the method to include. We don't know. Let's say if you confirm no denominator always positive. Now you can do cross multiplication. Okay. So, baca lagi. Set for a denominator which value is always positive. So, we do the same thing tadi lah. Tak sure kan? Okay, example. Okay, just now I buat. Okay, example 1 baru. Okay. Ini, solve this inequality. Okay, ni. Okay. Tadi example apa? Ni. Okay. Using number line kan. So, ini memanglah all positive. This one term positive. Tapi nak biasakan buatlah let lah. Buat je lah. Let x plus 1 positive. Takut given negative kan susah nanti kan. And then x more than negative 1. X minus 1 more than positive. So, that x more than 1. Follow ni cukup. Kalau you tak sure, follow ni je. Tak payah fikir lain. What happen when I want to let negative lah. Apa nanti lain story lain So, do number line. Real number line. Positive negative number line. Berapa kali kan. negative 1, 1. Okay. Then, okay, more than, not include. Okay, let positive. So, line show positive. No line shows negative. Okay, ini pun sama. Line shows positive. No line negative. Then, negative. Divide negative, positive, negative, positive. That step. It's quite easy, right? Dah biasa, right? All the term positive more than 0. We need positive region. So from ni number line kat sini up to number 1, negative 1. So from negative infinity to negative 1, exclude. This one ni, 1 to infinity. Okay, dia punya join dia union. Okay, if you want to leave answer in set notation, so ini x less than it 1 ke sana kan. Ini x more than 1. Okay, yang ini dot or. Macam tu. So you have actually you have nantilah either nak show in interval form or in set notation. Okay, up to you. Soalan? Tak ada. Okay, settle. Example 2. Okay, kita habiskan example ni, then kita stop lah. Okay, example, habiskan berapa? 3 example, 4, tak sure. Okay. And, okay, ini. Ni, this one. Okay, so check. Oh, numerator, denominator. Ini x plus 1 to the power 1. Okay, when the power dia 1, 3, 5, odd power. Okay, means that we don't know either this term positive or negative. Tahu tak confirm. Okay, that's why you cannot cross multiply. Okay, if dia punya power dia even number 2, 4, 6, confirm positive, right? Positive you can cross multiply. So now given ini means that power dia 1. Odd power lah, odd power. 1, 3, 5, confirm this ni divided, tak confirm dia positive or negative. So cannot cross multiply. So what should you do is, tak apa, copy dulu. First thing copy the question, double check. Next step, bring this one to the left, one side sana sini ke. Then the next step, okay, I skip the step, buat terus macam ni. Okay, and minus, make sure x to, okay, let's to x plus 1, settle Okay, I skip the step kat sini. Okay, so expand dulu expand. Macam sama je tu ni, tak apalah. Sama je, lebih kurang the example. And then x plus 3, x plus 1 less than 0. X plus, double check possibility, tendency to color mystic high. It's too high. Jadi lupa nak inform how you to check final answer, ada cara. Okay, yang ini dah ada confirm incomplete factorize completely. Seketul ini over ini. Okay, terus let x plus 3 positive. Kita ajar one mazhab je, one term je positive. Tak ajar lain x more than negative 3. X plus 1 positif. X more than negative 1. Saya tak ajar lain. Ni je. Kita ajar ni je. Jangan tamak. Sebab because kita ada few alternative few methods. Kita ajar ni je. Kita quick opening kan. Negative 3. Negative 1. Okay. Then X more than greater than negative 3 ke sana. Okay, ini dah let positif Kita dah let positif. Line means that positive, line shows positive, no line negative. That's why kena buat ni. Kena declare this is positive. Okay. So for this one, yang negative one, line shows positive, no line negative. Okay. Then, okay, negative over negative, positive, negative, positive. Then before you choose the region, tengok, oh this term, ni before you let, right? This term less than 0. We need negative region ni. Okay, so answer is from negative to negative 3 to negative 1, not include. Or in set notation, ni kan, ni x lies between negative 3, negative 1, close, curly line, dot, dot. This is set notation lah. Okay. So always be positive thinking. Okay, kita positif. Saya tak ajar yang negatif lain, nanti you pening. Cukup ini je. The problem? Kelas? Tak? Tak ada lah tu. Tak ada kan? Okay.
Ada.
Cannot cross multiply. Cannot cross multiply. Check First kali jangan tiba check dulu yang ni. Check dulu. Ini, oh ni power dia 1. 1 or odd power dia. Confirm this is tak sure either positive or negative. Tak sure. So don't cross multiply. Cukup. Ingat tu je. Okay. Okay, dah. For example 3, solve the inequalities. Ni heavy ya. Ni soalan heavy sikit. Okay, besar pula tu. Okay, saya tulis. Kat sini. Macam mana? Okay lah. Ini bring to one side. You tak boleh cross multiply. Why? Because this is power dia 1. Power dia 1. Okay, you don't know that one is positive negative power, right? Ini negative pun tak tahu. So, cannot cross multiply. So, bring to one side. Up to you lah nak bring to left or bring to right. One side. Okay, 2x plus 3. X minus 1. Let's say minus 2x minus 1 over x plus 3. Less or equal 0. Macam ni to one side. So one side macam mana nak show senang can I write like this Kalau you boleh cakap tak boleh I show lagi detail Okay. Sekarang ni saya nak buat macam ni, equating the denominator. So that is when you have to times plus x plus 3 minus 2x in bracket please x minus 1 less or equal 0. Okay? Okay tak? Siapa KO? Siapa tak okay? Siapa? Okay tak ya? Okay tak?
Okay.
Okay,
doktor.
Okay. Kalau tak okay, you kena buat lah macam ni. This one times dengan x plus 3 over x plus 3. This part times x minus 1 over x minus 1. Kat sini kan? Dia ada nak step baru sini. But make sure jaga hati-hati with the bracket. Careless. Memang careless sini kan. Bracket hati-hati. So expand. Ni 2x squared. Ini 6 ni 6 plus 3. 9x plus 9. Yang ini negatif biar dulu. Bracket jatuh direct because of cannot. Let's say kita buat double something activity. Sakit kepala, right? Buat one by one. Expand dulu. Okay. 2x squared. Ini negatif 2x. Negatif 2x. Negatif 3x plus 1. Over. Yang sini tak payah buat apa. Because our aim is to factorize completely, right? Ini tak payah expand. Okay, that step. Okay, simplify, expand dulu. Pelan-pelan kita. Okay, minus 2x squared plus 3x minus 1. X minus 1, x plus 3 less or equals 0. Okay, 0 Then simplify, mati ini 12x plus 8 x minus 1, x plus 3 less or equals 0. Yang ini, okay, use calculator, right? Atau terus actually better for you to factorize. Factorize 8. 8 is 2 3x plus 4 kita okay. Okay. And then cari kat mana buat dapat dia kan? Okay. So far okay tak? Siapa KO? So far okay tak you all?
Okay, Madam.
Okay Okay,
Okay.
Saya nak delete ni. Okay. Tak mau jalan sana. Tak apa, sambil-sambil you hadam. Tengok. To go. Then, okay, you have 1, 2, 3. 3 bracket 1, 2, 3. So, ambil. Let 3x plus 2 positive. Include follow ni punya include. Okay. And then x minus 1 memang you buat include. Tapi denominator always remember that x minus 1 not equal to 0. X plus 3 not equal to 0 Yang ni bawahan tak boleh equal 0. Okay. X not equals to 1. X not equals to negative 3. Ingat ni. Okay. So buat terus. Jadi x plus 3 ini x more or equal negative 2 over 3. And this one x more than 1. X more than negative 3. So ada 3 right. You pun buat number line, real number line, arrange negative 2 over 3. Negative 3 is less jangan silap. Ada yang careless susun ni, arrange ni. Jangan silap. Tengok betul. Tak sure, use calculator, find in decimal. Tengok nampak terang clear right? Okay, then tengok, okay ambil ni. Ini, ambil ni dulu lah. More than negative 3. Greater than. Buat elok. Sini let positive. Line shows positive. Positive. No line negative. Settle. Okay. Tak apa. Saya suka colorful right. Susah juga nak suka. Yang ini. Ni dulu. Ni. Sini. Include. Okay. To the right. Line positive. No line negative. Okay, kena show ni kalau working kena show this is important step yang plus minus tu kena suka-suka kan. Kalau ni pula. Okay, yang ini not include, line shows positive, no line negative. So you have 1, 2, 3 brackets to show the 3 sign. Ini negative, positive. Tahu kan? Negative over negative, positive time positive. Dia follow ni kan soalan Okay. Negative macam-macam lah. Saya tak susun So negative, ini positive, negative confirm. Ini positive. And to choose which one, the region. So tengok. Before you sampai tengok last kali ni Ini the term, all term ni less than 0. So we choose negative region. Ni. Negative. Kawasan ni. So, to express your answer, negative 3 from negativity. Okay, not include. Ni nak include. And then ni square bracket included. 2, 1 exclude. Combine, combination dia pergi join dengan union. Or you may leave answer in set notation. X less than negative 3. Ini less. Okay. This one x lies between negative 2 over 3 and 1. So join the or. Dah dapat. Okay, ada 1. Ada problem? Make sure denominator not equal to 0 Jangan tak shock sangat, include right. Okay, ada soalan tak ni? Berapa lagi kita ada example? Tak ada. You ada problem tak? Saya tunggu.
Tak ada.
Tak ada, okay. This is the last example? Cuba check you punya.
Yes.
Yes, last
Yes.
Okay. So ni it's very good so you have to separate lah. Ini one set. Okay. One set and the other one side. So write this one first Ini x over x minus 1 negative 1. Okay. Then the other side is this one. Ambil ni. Overlap kat tengah. Okay. This one is x over x minus 1 less or equal 4. Okay. Mesti to set you have to solve separately solve. Okay. Kita try solve yang ni dulu. Dia join dia the word n. And why n? Because of overlap. Overlapping ada overlap dua tu n lah. Join. So kena solve one by one separately. Last sekali yang final answer for the purple part dengan the red color ni kita join and cari overlapping. Okay, yang ini so x minus 1 ni power 1. Okay, tak sure positive or negative. So you can cross multiply. Okay, bring to one side lah, senang cerita kan. Okay. Okay, ini ditolak ni. Nak off lah. Sekejap betul keluar juga. So macam saya kena off betul-betul. Tak apa. Ini. Macam mana? Nantilah. Okay. X minus 4. X minus 1. X minus 1. Okay, less than. Okay, sabar je lah. Ini expand. Sekejap. Kan konsentrasi dia ganggu. Apa tadi? Ni. Okay, so x minus ni over x minus 1. Then, tak cantik ni. Tak apa, simplify. Negative 3x plus 4 x minus 1 less or equal 0. Yang ini negatif macam nak buat? Okay, biarlah macam ni. Okay, yang ni the purple. Tak apa, bagus juga. Dia pening. Okay, yang the purple is the purple, not the blue color. Tak apa. Ini bring to one side. Jadi pun. Ini 1 minus plus plus x over x minus 1. Ini 0. Atau bring to one side kan. And ikuti the denominator x minus 1 plus x over x minus 1. 0 0 Okay, dia dapat 2x minus 1 x minus 1 0. So macam mana kita ada ni ni one set. Kita kena derive the construct the answer. Yang ini pun one set construct the answer. We have two set join dengan the word n. So far okay tak so far you all? So far okay tak? Saya padam ni.
Okay.
Okay, kita ada dua. Case 1, case 2. Ni. Okay, then next step. Macam mana saya pun tak nampak ni. Cuk, you hafal sikit. Negative 3x plus 4 negative 3x plus 4. Less ke? Less ni, betul Include tak tadi? Lupa. Betul ni?
Include.
Betul
Include.
Include. Tak print kan? Save budget right. Ni KN So now you have two parts for case 1 and case 2. Okay, kita settle for case yang on the left side ni lah. Yang tadi tukar jadi purple, jadi merah ke. Tak apalah, biru lah pula. Okay, yang ini you suka kata, let 2x minus 1 more than or equal 0. X more or equal 1 over 2. Settle. Yang ini x minus 1 not include x minus 1 not include not equal to 0 or x not equals. Okay, so jadi active sikit, suppose ke stop now because of ada banyak business right. Tak apalah, kita continue ni. Then do number line. Okay, half, make sure half less than 1 jangan careless Sukati je erase the number tu. Okay, dan claim tak dapat. Okay, yang ini more than, include to the right, positive, line positive, no line negative. Yang ini positive, not include positive, negative. So this one positive, negative, positive. Check, we want positive region, positive. So answer for this part, case 1, from negative infinity to half, square bracket, union 1 to infinity. Okay, settle for case 1. And then solve for case 2. Case 2, ini let, kalau nak jadi positif bagus lagi bring the whole term to the right and change to positive. Lega. Tapi so okay lah nak buat macam ni. Okay, plus 4, always positive. Ni Okay, then kan saya buat bring ke sini right. X. Okay, bawa ke sana. Okay, and x minus 1 positive x more than 1. Okay, not equal to 0 right. Okay, because of denominator. Tengok ni. Then okay, construct number ni, number line 4/3 is greater than 1 Jangan kau suka je, hentam je. Check dulu value. Okay, then okay, so ini tengok ni x less than, include less than, the line is to the left ke to the right? Less than. Line the left ke the right?
The left.
Ya, ke sana. Tapi kita define let positive, line show positive, whatever direction, but we already declare when line shows positive, no line shows negative. Ikutlah kod mana direction pun. Ini dah declare dah. So for x more than 1 ke sana, okay, line shows positive, no line shows negative. So negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. Okay, yang inilah the important is this part. Then we want tengok ni dulu, we want negative region, less than, negative. So choose this one, negative. Answer for the second case is from negative infinity to 1, empty circle, union, okay, square bracket 4/3 to infinity. Okay, so this is answer for case 1 on the left hand side. This one answer for the second case, case 2 on the right hand side. But the question is come from one question, right? You kena join the two answers. Mana color pula ni? Okay, and kan? So ada from satu mark induk. You have to, you separate two parts and now you need to join the two answers pula. Okay, yang ini yang kita nak derive the jawapan ni dari seketul ni, we use positive, negative number line. Dari seketul ni, we use positive, negative number line. Now dah dapat jawapan for the first case, the second case, we need to join the two answers. Okay, using the same number line. Tapi number line just number line. Bukannya positive, negative number line. Jangan confuse Okay. Yang nak pecahkan ni, nak pecah timbang-timbang ni, positif, negatif. Positif, negatif. Ada positif, negatif number line. Ini sama. Tapi dah dapat result, kita nak ada two result, right? Yang the red color dengan the black color ni, we need to join the two answers. Join the two answers. Okay. Yang ini real number line. That's why I choose tables now kan. Okay. So yang ini, yang ada red ni, choose one yang elok. Half. Yang ini 1. Yang the red part lah ini. Ke include to the left, exclude to that. In one level lah. Yang ni one level. Ni je jawapan untuk for the first case. Case 1. Okay. For the second case, I choose the blue colours now. Okay. Second case ni 1. Ayo, tak muat. Sekejap. Ini 1. Negative infinity to 1 kat sini. Dengan 4/3. Ini include. You tengok sana ke sana. So in one level, this is case 2. Okay. So now the word is. Aku ni color apa pula ni. What color should I use Can you see now ni the apa ni tu Okay. So the word and means that I take the line, double line ni. Double line. Okay ni tak ada. So kau sana je. Answer is from negative infinity to 2 in half half. Include. Negative infinity to half include. Ini je answer dia. Suppose lah. Kita tengok, kita double check. No, lagi ni. Allah, tak nampak. You all. Mana kalian? Ni. Ada lagi. Ni. Ini is 4/3 square bracket to infinity. Sambung-sambung Union 4/3 to infinity. Sorry tak cantik ni dia punya answer dia. So kita tengok apa yang dia bagi. Sekejap, cantik tak? Normally kita akan buat left right serentak kiri kanan sebelah-sebelah nampak clear Yang ini for case 1. Case 1. Answer for case 1 sahaja case 1. Okay, this part case 2. So this is answer for case 2. Answer for case 2. The next step, combine case 1, case 2. Okay, join case 1, case 2. This is real number line sahaja. Dan ni for case 1 yang the red color ni, case 1. Dan case 2 the purple line ni. Okay, the word and, tengok yang overlap, double line tu. And then this is the answer. Is it same like mine? Yes, kot kan? Okay, this is the answer dia. Atau in set notation interval form. Okay. Ini 1/2 lagi. Ini siapa pula ni? Okay ni So settle untuk ni. Ada soalan? Kelas ada soalan?
Tak ada.
Tak ada.